Hey everybody, it's Steve. So welcome to our first pose in our Yoga Basics Learn a Yoga Pose. All right, so our first pose that we're going to learn is Savasana. It's also called Relaxation Pose or Corpse Pose for obvious reasons. This pose is the easiest but the hardest to do. So the basics of it literally are you're just going to lay down on your mat, okay? So lay down on our mats. We're going to turn around, bring our feet to one end, our head to the other, and relax. Literally, this is why I call it relaxation pose. It's also called, again, corpse pose in English. Most classes you're going to hear it called Savasana. Now, hands and arms anywhere, feet and legs anywhere. Again, just relax. And that's it, literally. That is our first pose of the Yoga Basics, all right? So if you ever go to a yoga class and you hear Savasana and kind of go, what do I do? That's it, all right? Stay tuned, the next video with our next pose is coming up soon, all right? Click here or here for the next one. And then as far as integration in that, for more advanced about a specific pose, you can click on one of the other links, all right? Thanks.